Hey guys, if you would like to add an image in your Google Calendar, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, at the top search bar, type in calendar.google.com. You will get landed onto a page like this. Also make sure that you are logged into your specific Gmail account. Then you will see a plus button. Go ahead, click onto it, select event, and select more options. Give it any title that you would like. In my case, I would go for test and fill out all this information. Scroll all the way below, click on this drive button in order to add image, and select upload here. Click on browse. In my case, I've added a screenshot just as in sample here. Once you're satisfied, select save. And once you hover onto your Google Meet, you will see a screenshot right here. If you would like to view it, click onto it, and this is what other members will see as well. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.